color switch, but cringe. Here's how I made a color switch clone in 2 days. So, I was playing Color Switch the other day and I really had no idea on what game to make to learn Unity. So I decided to make Color Switch. So I opened Unity and made a new project. Then I added a circle. Then I added a script to the circle and coded the movement for the player. The way it works is that the player gets a constant force applied on it via the rigid body, and the code allows us to use the spacebar or the mouse button to push ourselves upward. And here's the result. Then I went into Gimp to make the colored rings. Then I exported them to see that they had a white background in Unity. Then it was day 2, I fixed the background problem, then I coded the circle to spin with the transform function in Unity. Boring. And boom, spinning circle boy, let's go. Never mind. Then I coded the death system with some code using tags because tags are cool. Boring. And here we go. And there it is. Well, you could call me a genius. I hate this. So I was going to make those circle things you see in Color Switch, which change your color. I forgot about the camera, so I added a script to the camera to follow the player. I'm basically instancing the player and waiting for the player to cross the area of the camera. If the player does pass it, then the camera follows. And here's the result. Then I made sure that when the player touches a random color ball thing, it makes the player a random color and deletes itself. Then I drew the random color ball thing in Krita. It turned out cool, I guess. And I don't use Photoshop because it's expensive. Then I had another problem with the background, so I opened up Gimp to override it. Finally, it was time to make some levels. So I designed some levels. What are those? Then I made it so that if you hit a wrong color, you freaking die and restart. I made 4 or 5 levels. So yeah. And each one is extremely hard. Then it was time to make a main menu. I learned about canvases and button text, cool stuff like that. So it was cool. I want to thank Blackthorn Prod for the epic tut on UI. Thanks for watching. I learned a lot about Unity and am excited for the future of what I'll be making. I want to thank my Patreon, Ning Nang Nongi, for his awesome support. If interested, go to https://patreon.com/theorangetriangle. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you did, comment down below that you did and I will heart it.